I've been using Grande Lash MD for about 12 weeks now, and I have to say I am very pleased with what I see. I see my lashes to be looking much thicker, much darker, and much longer. I prefer not having to wear so much makeup, so now that I have these amazing lashes, I don't have to wear a lot of makeup, so therefore I can look younger and just more natural. Thanks to Grande Lash MD, now I'm free to choose whether or not I want to wear mascara or not.
With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dash cams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K dash cam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed micro So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.
It's easy to apply Seresto. First, select the pack with your dog's correct age and weight. Apply a new collar every 8 months for optimal flea and tick protection. Remove the collar from its protective bag directly before use. Unroll it and make sure there are no remnants from the plastic connectors inside the collar. Insert the end of the collar through the buckle and adjust it around your dog's neck. Make sure you can insert 2 fingers comfortably between the collar and the neck. Pull excess collar through the loops. Cut off collar length of greater than 1 inch beyond the loops unless it is on a growing puppy. Check the collar periodically and adjust the fit if necessary, especially on growing puppies. Now enjoy 8 continuous months of flea and tick protection with Seresto, the #1 selling non-prescription flea and tick brand.
Expect more from your workouts. Aim higher, dream bigger, train harder, and recover smarter. With premium protein products, fueling over 2 billion workout recoveries and counting. Make your workout worth the effort.
Maybe you could be a purple monkey in a bubblegum tree.